Alright viewers, so extending a heartiest welcome to all new episode of Big Dreamers. Well yes, we dream big and we make sure that we accomplish our dreams. And when we talk about dreams, we have another dreamer here with us who has been a super achiever. Well, he is somebody who needs no introduction, but इनका introduction मैं जरूर दूंगी because he is from the field of creativity, taking the legacy ahead and setting platinum. So well, ladies and gentlemen, it's now time that we introduce you all to none other than Gaurav Chawla. Well, sir, हंस लीजिए, क्या बात है, मैं बोलने ही वाली थी कि सर मुस्कुरा क्यों नहीं रहे हैं. Heartiest welcome. Thank you so much for giving us such valuable time of yours.
Thank you.
So सर की जर्नी के बारे में हमें सुनना है, बट जाते हैं थोड़ा पास्ट की तरफ बिकॉज हर चीज की शुरुआत कहीं ना कहीं से तो होती है. So let's have a quick look at the history of the beginning of his wonderful business. Well, sir, how it all started and कहाँ से ये idea आया? Was it a parental thing or your own ideation?
Well, I'm a third generation into furnishings. Post-independence, my grandfather shifted from Pakistan side of Punjab to Haryana, and then he started with a single power hand loom. And then after completing graduation, my dad shifted to Bhubaneswar in 1970. So it's been 50 years, and I'm into second generation into retailing furnishing, and third generation into textiles, you can say.
Perfect. So that was a crisp introduction, I would believe. But then when I talk about his achievements and his credential, I think the list is absolutely endless. So to begin with, sir, how did you manage to execute such a master plan with a set framework? I definitely believe, but the kind of product range and the kind of abilities that I see, it's truly heartwarming. So what would you like to say about
What would I say? The day I was born, the first word came out from my mouth, my dad's mouth was, "Mera ek salesman बढ़ गया." So I knew from the day one what I have to do in future. Furnishing was definitely into my brains, into my heart and blood. So taking the legacy further in the second generation, I had made sure I follow the footsteps of my father.
So the era of decor has been changing. The world is full of dynamism, according to me. So as you yourself mentioned that it started way back in 1970 and bringing it back exactly to 2021. How do you think has the market scenario with regard to the decor has changed?
This is a very common answer. I think market in every sector is always updating. And to become successful, you just need to update yourself according to the market. You just have to be one step ahead of the market. आज भी आप अगर पुराने तरीके से बैठे रहोगे, I don't think you can, मतलब you'll stay there only. So in order to rise, you have to stay ahead with the market and keep updating yourself.
Well, as Mr. Chawla himself mentioned about that if we indeed believe to be successful, we need to take a step ahead and run a little ahead of everyone. So when you talk about success, what are those three key terms that you would give credit to your success to?
Well, I could say treat your staff as your biggest asset, treat your customer as your God, and never say no to a customer. That means be it targets or whatever it is, like the work of an entrepreneur is to reduce the pain of a client. So if client comes to us, he has some problem, and if we solve that problem, that is the work of an entrepreneur. So just keep solving their problems. That is called entrepreneurship.
Well, getting into technicalities of the Haryana handloom and the brand which I am here more optimistic about is Opulent Decors, if I am not wrong. Well, sir, what does the name suggest? And I'm definitely dying to know about the product range. So please let us know.
Opulent is basically luxury. When I started the new store, it's the biggest one in Eastern India. I started with the concept that I'll get luxury to Odisha, which Odisha has never seen. But while in the making, I thought, why to put out few category of people? So when I opened the store, I made sure that I have a bed sheet costs which 100 rupee and a doormat starts from 300, so I can cater a cycle wala, a scooter wala, a car wala and a luxury as well. So Haryana Handlooms is 50 years legacy, so carrying the name again with taking the benefits of the legacy also. So the name came Opulent Decor by Haryana Handlooms, and here you can see all range of interior furnishings from bed sheets, bed and bath linen to curtains and upholstery, blinds, flooring, wooden flooring, SPC flooring, vinyl flooring, to vertical gardens, to wallpapers, mattresses, pillows, you name it, we have it. Brand stand from, you can say, from local handloom to D-Decor or Nilaya, Sabbai, Sapyasachi, you name the brand, we have it.
Lovely. So we have covered almost all the brands here. I must mention, sir, आपकी memory power बहुत strong है. He did not miss even a single one. So alright, on that note, moving ahead and coming to something that is very recent to us, COVID pandemic. Well, businessmen has been severely affected. All of us, some or the other, we have faced some or the other issues. So how has COVID pandemic hit you or served you or enlightened you? What is your story with regard to COVID?
Yes, definitely footfall has definitely dropped down to rock bottom. For almost 2 or 3 months last year it was lockdown again. So the same history has repeated this year as well. But then one thing which we survived is we also supply to hotels, hospitals. So this is one thing, when this COVID-1 happened, the first lockdown, we were the first one to make quarantine wards in railway bogies.
Okay.
Basically India, we were the first one to create quarantine bogies in railway, and I had few orders for making quarantine wards at different hospitals and other offices. So that was the thing which was going on in COVID-1, and well, in COVID-2, you know, people got habituated. People know how to deal with it with mask and distancing and other norms. So it made a bit easier. We had orders over phone. I could go to the warehouses, share the WhatsApp, and then try to deliver it.
So more or less, COVID-1 was more of taking up new initiatives, and COVID-2 was we had a good clientele base and we served them.
The regular clientele base, but not the new footfall. Would definitely
that is something that will. Okay, never mind. So during these journey of years and experiences, has been there a memory which you would like to recollect and bring it on us, कि सबसे ज़्यादा difficult कुछ ऐसा रहा है during the business, या फिर कुछ ऐसा जो बहुत ही मजेदार रहा?
There are many such things which I can share, and I can go on and on. I can share my experiences. One such experience was in 2012 when I got an order to furnish 650 apartments at Vedanta.
Okay.
And I was too young. The company guys also were skeptical. This guy could finish it or not. I had 60 days in hand. After that, LD clause was applied. So that changed my entire concept of furnishing. I completed the order in 11 days, and then there was for 650 apartments.
Oh my God.
I completed in 11 record days, and then there was no looking back. I had many orders like 20,000 pieces T-shirt for KIIT marathon, which I procured, printed, get it delivered from Delhi to Bhubaneswar in a record of 36 hours.
Oh, that was pretty
And
good.
that was somewhere around the Republic Day, where the railways had closed their booking due to security reasons. Truck was not possible by airlines, it was too costly, and I know how I procured the material from Delhi to Bhubaneswar. It's a really tough job, but if you take up something automatically and you pursue for it, the doors definitely open, automatically gets open.
Absolutely. So we indeed have to be determined when we select something and when we work on something. All right. So on that account, moving ahead and getting into something more about this journey, we spoke about COVID. We spoke about your experience, your journey of business. Let's get back to some personal space as well, because I've always heard that family time is something that we always lack when we work. So has been there such instances जहाँ पे आपको Mrs. चावला ने बोला हो that घर पे आ जाया करो time पे खाना खाने? So
yes, almost every day, and I'm really thankful for her to supporting me in this ways. I mean, we hardly get time for personal life, but I make sure I take out time for holidays twice a year. So I think, of course, that would not fulfill her demands, but jitna ho sakta hai, I do keep trying.
Alright, so we absolutely learned that we are nowhere to say a no to our beloved customers if we are willing to be an entrepreneur. But yes, keeping the business part aside, I have certainly found that he is a golden human being, because the kind of service he's been providing to the world is definitely heartwarming to know about. So let's quickly know about how has been his journey when we talk about welfare by Mr. Chawla. So can we please have a list of you?
Well, after getting so much from the society, so much of love and affection, I feel this is the time we should give back something to the society as well. So I had joined few organizations like Roundtable India, which is a international organization. I've been a chairman of that. Our motto is freedom through education, where we build in schools for the underprivileged, and apart from that we also do some community service like blood donation and orphanage help and so on. I'm also the current chairman of YICII. YI is the youth wing of CII. We have many verticals under it, like organ donation or no honk not okay, project Komal, which enlightens these kids for child sexual abuse ke liye. And then we have some other verticals which is into entrepreneurship, startup, learning. So this is the 360-degree grooming of an entrepreneur, which helps yourself to become a leader as well as to give back to the society.
Absolutely. Well, yes, as I keep mentioning that the credentials are absolutely endless. So congratulations on this beautiful journey of yours, and we wish a lot of happiness and success coming ahead your way. Alright, so इतनी सारी बातें चलती ही रहेंगी, but अब जो बातें होने वाली हैं, I'm very sure इसमें सबको बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आने वाला है, because we are going to know about some personal, very personal stuff about Mr. Chawla. So are you ready? Because this is going to be very, very thrilling.
I don't think I'm ready for this.
I am going to make sure that you are absolutely ready, sir, because this part is what we refer to as the rapid fire.
Okay.
इसमें आपको ज़्यादा वक्त नहीं मिलेगा सोचने का, और मैं तो सजेस्ट करूँगी सोचिए ही मत, जो निकल रहा है बस आराम से बोल डालिए, बिल्कुल टेंशन नहीं लेना है. So yes, so with that smile and the questions are all good to go. So let's have a quick rapid fire with Mr. Chawla.
Sure.
A louder yes. Are we ready?
Let's see. Let's depend on the question. Let's see how it comes.
Moving ahead. So are you a car lover?
Yes.
Yes. And which car do you like the most?
Definitely Mercedes-Benz.
Mercedes-Benz. All right. So you like partying, spending your time?
I love partying.
Okay. So sir is a party animal, and how do you make sure the environment across you enjoys as much as you do?
How? I just go with the flow. I love dancing. I love.
All right.
So
dancing and going with the flow. Scotch or whiskey?
Scotch.
What was the last anniversary gift to your wife?
Seriously, I don't remember. Please don't try to telecast this.
15 years of marriage, and I'm going to talk to Mrs. Chawla as well.
15 years is yet to come, and I'm planning something big for the 15th.
All right. So the wedding anniversary gift is coming soon.
Yes.
On the way. Favorite color?
Blue.
And how many outfits would you have in total? अगर हम आपका wardrobe खोल के देखें.
I don't think I'm much of an outfit lover. It's my wife who generally shops for me.
Okay.
If I'm okay with jeans and a couple of shirts as well.
Perfect. Hill station or beaches?
I like hill stations.
Favorite food?
Non-veg.
Non-veg. What in non-veg?
Indian.
Perfect.
Indian.
And are you a gadget lover?
Not much.
Not much. Have you had a relationship like before marriage?
Can we skip this?
Never? Not at all.
Acha chalo, no.
No? Alright, so it's now time that we know more about Mr. Chawla. So sir, girlfriends तो आपकी रही ही होंगी, ये तो हमें पता है. But उस जगह हम जाएंगे नहीं. Let's ask you about कुछ ऐसा था जो आप बताना नहीं चाहते हैं और हम पूछना चाहते हैं. So let's talk about your crushes. कोई भी Bollywood actress?
There's nothing to, of course, you can say Katrina Kaif.
Oh my God.
There are many Bollywood actresses who are.
And somebody from the college wing, या एकदम मेरे सामने वाली खिड़की पे एक चांद का टुकड़ा रहता है.
सामने वाली खिड़की में कभी कोई रहा ही नहीं. But of course, there were many crushes, you can say.
Okay.
And just that's it.
All right. So you must be having a lot of friends. If I talk about a single friend who has been there at most of your hardships and good ships, एक नाम जो आपके जहन में अभी आया?
There are many. I can, you can say school friends. There was Vishal Dalmia. My tabling friend is Amit and Ritesh, and YIM Tapendra Senapati. And Kamal Agarwal, my college friend. You can say if I have something really emergency at 2 o'clock, what you can say 2 o'clock friends. So these are the 4 or 5 friends which are
Always turn up.
whom I can say they are my 2 o'clock friends.
Lovely. Has been there a journey in which or a moment जहाँ पे आपने किसी को ditch किया होगा, छोटा सा बड़ा सा कुछ ना कुछ? Have you ditched anyone?
Ditch in which way?
In many ways, sir. Have you had a girlfriend, sir? Moving on. No, in general. ऐसी कि आ रहा हूँ and then झूठ बोल दिया कि यार गाड़ी खराब हो गया or something like that.
छोटे मोटे में भी किया होगा, but I don't think knowingly it's not my nature. And I do keep my commitments, but of course unknowingly
कभी-कभी हो जाता है.
there may be some instances.
What is your biggest addiction?
You can say traveling
Traveling.
or reading books.
Reading. Okay, so you like reading books. Who's your favorite author?
Jeffrey Archer.
All right, your passion.
Entrepreneurship.
Well, the next question is coming very hard, and this is any crush in round table?
I think I can answer this very coolly. Round table is a group of all male boys, so there's no chances of having crush on males.
So you just
I am
got my
straight.
point, sir. There's a legacy घोर कलयुग है जैसा हम बोल रहे हैं, and then same-sex relationship has been really boosting pretty well. So have you ever had a crush on a male friend or somebody crushing on you?
Absolutely straight.
Perfect. All right. So if you got a day and you have to do nothing, like absolutely nothing, what would be this one thing that you would prefer doing nothing? Like ऐसी क्या चीज रहेगी जो आप कुछ ना करें और enjoy करें?
I just want to laze around on my bed with Netflix on,
Oh, perfect.
which I have been doing throughout the lockdown.
Lockdown, yes. Well, favorite singer?
Favorite singer, yes, Arijit.
Arijit Singh. So sir is into romantic music.
I love 80s and 90s ke music.
Nagme.
Yes.
All right. So are you into Hollywood movies?
No.
No. Anybody from our industry, from our Hollywood industry, whom you look up to when we see the big screen?
Many of our friends, I think Akash Das Naik and maybe Anu Chaudhary.
Both of them are tremendous actors, I must say. And as we are on the verge of the climax, so we would like you to speak about something that relates you to Utkal Updates and about this beautiful show, which is Big Dreamers.
I think Utkal Updates are really doing a good job. I really keep scrolling your news and the special sessions which you have started with the entrepreneurs. They are very fab, and wish you all the best. And you are doing a very good job,
you.
Shefali. Personally, I really keep following you.
All right, so that was our interesting session with Mr. Chawla, and I must believe that it was one of the most happening episodes जो telecast होने वाला है. So we will be shooting some more few exciting episodes. So please stay tuned and keep watching Big Dreamers.